Umintri rang ba ka jela ukon rat ke sangma hak arpesan trik nailar ula ong bakakol ministry jong ka Sorkar Pdeng kala menjer ban bishar bnia ya ka jingdawa jong ka Sorkar Meghalaya ban pynjem ki kyndon ba ya day berkakam ti dewiong hadin ba ula pun pau ki jing e jong kinong ti par ki barin paria namar ka jingdon kam bandan ya ka jaka ka ba he hadu shispa hektar. Haba jubab ha ka jingat nai balingkot balawan ra da UMLA ka VPP na nongkrem uba arden mele besaiman ubala dawa ban penjam ki kyndon khnang ban plilat ki trai jaka ki badan ki par ki barin bagin beteng ya ka kamti do yong da kalenti jong ka an ukonrat ula ong banakalyang ka jong u haringkat ka MLA ka setengah saipung dangshen kilalet ya kendo ya menteri ka Sorkar Pdeng ubakmi ya katanat kam doyong banyakran halor ka kam. Ngasnguk men ban pentip shapi baha ka jingalang ka bakat do e jonga bat ka Ministry of Coal haringkat ka MLA ka setengah saipung nakalyang menteri ula kren da ka basyai kedar. Ula batha ru iki officer baka rukam long jong ki par doyong bat ka rukam ban jaka kalong kabaya pher ha Meghalaya bat kumta ka jing terwa kamla panlong kumju ong ukonran. Ngalakir pat ya umintri pan penbet ya kana kam hapo kapor balabo bat nakalyang umintri ula a ya ka jing batha ula benram. Umintri rangba ula ong baka Sorkar jela kala but dien bat tenru ban penihar ya kate ka jingdan kam hadu shispa hektar ka jaka namar kani ka day ka bamla ban dande ki trai jaka ki barit ha Meghalaya bat ban ai bore ka jela hakabaya day bat ka mining plan. Yikerman scam ana ka jing he ka ba shispa hektar on penihar shibun pa kata kat hadu ka jing he ka bala ban penyat bat ka bala ban kentup ya baro kinong ti par ki jongi ula ong. U Konrad ula ong ba ula yakindu kerpang ru ya u additional secretary ke Ministry of Coal ban batai balai bakakam ke baya day bat ka Meghalaya kalong ke bacerwit jerwan bat ka ba e ban penban. Ka rukom bat jaka jongi kalong ka ba pher shibut ka jinglong jongi par doyong jongi kilong ki barin bat ka jingti doyong ling ba ka open cast kamlong ka bala ban pentre kam. Ban penthikna ya ka jing shngan bat ka jingla ban penyat ya ka kam hakaliang ka yok kan ni haban penbiang tarajur hapadeng kini ki benta. Ka Ministry of Coal ka haban ped ya ka Meghalaya da ka rukam ka bakerpang ula benram. Ula ong ru baka Sorkar ka kwa banwanra ya ka rukam ti par ka bapenya day bat ka jinglong jong ka jela ringkat bat kila jingada na ka benta kinong tre par kumju ya ka maryang hakajaka ban peteng ya ka rukam trekam ka barim.
I'm happy to inform the Honorable Member and the House that the ban on coal mining has been lifted. There is no doubt about that factor. So therefore, if anybody is unaware whether the ban is still there or not, so the ban has been lifted. There is no ban on coal mining. The point that Supreme Court has mentioned is that you can mine, but you have to mine as per the law. You have to mine as per the regulations, which are the Mines and Minerals Regulation Act, the Mine Safety Act, the Mines Act, and the Environmental Protection Act. So therefore, I want to make it very clear on the floor of the House, sir, in this August House, that mining, the ban on coal mining has been lifted, but the process of allowing the scientific procedure to happen is a matter of great complications. And the reason it is there, sir, I must share with the House, is because our land holding systems are different from the rest of the country. So here, the government of India and the coal ministry has to look at Meghalaya in a very, very different manner. And they have to create different laws because of our land hosting systems being different. That's challenge number one. Challenge number two, sir, our seams are very thin. It's not like other places in the country where the seams are very thick and you can do open cast mining and you get the coal and you can mine. Here, since the seams are very thin, open cast mining does not become economically viable. And hence, the government of India would have to come out with a special technique to ensure the safety is also maintained and yet the economic viability of the project or the mine also comes out. So we are trying to balance these two aspects. So what I'm happy to inform, sir, the House and all the honorable members, and through you, sir, to the coal miners also especially, that, sir, we have started the process of discussion with the government of India. And I'm so pleased to tell you, sir, that the last meeting that I had with the Honorable Minister of Coal, and I was with the Honorable MLA from Sutunga, who had accompanied me, and our officials were there. And in that particular meeting, the minister was very, very clear. And of course, I cannot go too much into details of the discussion, but I can tell you that much, that he said, find a way. He told his officers, find a way. And we need to find a way because the mines and the people there, the land holding system is different. And therefore, the system that we are proposing for the rest of the country cannot work in Meghalaya. And he was very, very particular about it. So while he formed the committee, I can share with the House, sir, I requested the Honorable Minister that if a time-bound manner or a specific time can be given to resolve this. And there again, Honorable Minister gave directions that he wants this issue to be resolved at the earliest. So, sir, we are very hopeful on two aspects. Number one, that the size, the holding from 100 acres will be reduced drastically, which means our small-time miners will also be able to participate. It may not be very, very small, but it will be somewhere where it is manageable and will cover majority of our miners. And number two, the technique for mining would be something that will ensure that we don't go with the old mechanism, but at the same time, we adapt to it and create the safety measures needed to ensure that the lives of the miners as well as the lives of the environment is protected. And I don't want to go into detail of the technology that is being discussed, sir, but I can share with you that I have had a meeting, you can say officially, but not with the committee officially, but with the members multiple times, including Government of India. One of the additional secretaries of coal is chairing this committee, and I've had discussions with her on this matter. And I have specifically tried to clarify these points from the Meghalaya perspective to ensure that they understand why this is very complicated and yet why this is needed and where we require their additional help for us to be able to find a way forward. So, and having said that, again, I agree with the honorable members who have moved this particular short duration discussion that, sir, there are different activities, sir. So one has to remember and realize that our miners have been doing this for decades, sir, if not centuries. And this is the way that they know. And this is the process that they understand. And they're all from very, very economically weaker, educationally weaker background. And hence they have challenges in trying to adapt to the new technology. The funds that are required is not available to do that. And these challenges are there, sir. At the same time, government had come in, NGT had come in and simply said, from tomorrow you cannot do this anymore. Sir, there are challenges when that happens. Just to share with you, sir, and the House, that in East Jente Hills alone, there are 22,000 mines. 22,000 mines. Even if we work on stopping 500,000 this month, and then we stop them, or whatever, we take action, we go and search and find out what's happening and see if there's any activity going on. And if there is activity, we actually stop it. And then we go to the next 1,000 in the next 1 month. We don't know what's happening in the first 1,000 again. So it's such a massive exercise that you cannot imagine, sir. And in the whole process, the police, the administration, yes, sir, struggles in trying to ensure that this entire, as per law, things are done. And yes, sir, I've seen many times, even the opposition, the honorable mover of the short duration discussion has raised this issue a number of times. And many people in Jente Hills especially, many people who were involved in this kind of illegal activities, because of the voice they had raised that time, the mines were closed, people were caught, the livelihood was removed at that temporary point, and they raised it, sir. And because of their intervention, a lot of these activities stopped. A lot of the miners were affected, were impacted, they lost their livelihood, but the illegal activity stopped. And so therefore, this thing kind of work that we're doing, we're ensuring that we work closely We try to ensure that balance is maintained, and we try to ensure that the legal activities continue and the illegal activities stop. I repeat again, the legal activities continue, but the illegal activities stop. And we are trying to work towards balancing this entire process, sir. I hope that we have seen the worst behind us. I hope that we'll be able to transition into something that is very, very stable in the days to come.